Manga Update 7.1. Manga Update is not totally different operating system from Microsoft. It's just update 1 year later after original one. It's called 7.1 and you could see right now multitasking. It doesn't exist in first version, but now it's working pretty good. You couldn't close a single application, you could just switch between different apps. And it's around 5 apps in background. So now I'm trying Microsoft Office. I'm writing note from Elda with my greetings to you. And you see that keyboard is the same. I don't have local version of different languages here. It's a pretty good Microsoft Office program from company because you could outline different things, make a format for text, PowerPoint presentation, Excel, chat notes, and you could save it on SkyDrive, 25 gigabytes of memory in cloud from Microsoft, so you could download automatically all files in this cloud. It's very good because you could access to this file from your PC, tablet PC, from iPad, from different kind of devices. And I personally like it because it's working pretty good. SharePoint, the same story, but you could use your corporate server for that. You need to enter address and you login and name and password, of course. Now I'm showing that my SkyDrive have this node, which I just put it in phone several seconds ago. So I have Wi-Fi connection and automatically download in my personal folder in cloud. I like it because all my files synchronized with cloud. 25 gigabytes of memory is enough for all user and customer of this phone, and it's free of charge. Hotmail user knows that SkyDrive working pretty good nowadays, at least. Another new things in Mango, it's groups. I have family my groups and test. So I could just add new group. I called it English, but will show how it's work on my group because I have some people inside this group. When I adding a group, I could pin to tile to workspace, and this group will be shown like this one. It's my group. I have 5 people here. 3 of them have mobile numbers, so I could send SMS to many, to 3 of these people. And actually I could send email to all of these people in this group. And if we slide in right direction, what's happening, you could see Facebook accounts and other accounts of these people. You could see information about Artem Lutfulin. It's editor of Android on our site. I could see view website. I could see what's happening in Facebook for Artem. I could answer. Also, I could check pictures which he store on Facebook or Flickr or any other services which connected with this phone. In Manga, additionally to Facebook, it's connected with Twitter, and I could answer, I could put comment on this picture in a very fast and convenient way. I like it. I like it much, but it's not so different from other phones and operating system. Tea time. I'm writing here and I have to push button on the right. Right. Not here, right. Yeah. Great. So it's working pretty fast and I really like it. On the other hand, if you check other things which are different from previous version, we have to say about accounts for email. I think so. So Google Mail, first of all, we have threads. You could delete this thread in one row because just push and press and delete. All messages will be deleted here. On the other hand, threads, it's not new in Gmail, you're using it. It's a very convenient way to see all threads with a person, what you write to him, what he write to answer. And you could also use linked inbox. When you link different accounts in one, you could rename it. And on Workspace, between tiles, you see that it's a common mailbox. You see all your mails from different accounts in one place. You see Gmail account, and also it's Hotmail, I think, or mobilereview.com below. So all my letters in one place. It's just a common mailbox. It's not new on different operating system, but it's totally new for Mango update. Also, it's very easy to unlink accounts, and you see these accounts as single tile here, mobilereview.com. So it's pretty good, and I personally like it. Internet Explorer 9. AI 9 is totally new, different browser, and Microsoft saying that it's desktop quality browser. I couldn't call it desktop because it's mobile version of browser. It's very fast. It supports HTML5, but on the other hand, it's not support Flash. It's support in some way, but you couldn't see Flash sites. You couldn't play Flash games. You couldn't even use YouTube, because for using YouTube you need to download application from Marketplace to see any video from YouTube. I couldn't call it desktop version because in desktop you don't need any extra plugins, you don't need extra moves to see YouTube or some other things. Shakespeare Tag Cloud, it's pretty fast, and you could see that I have tags in some time. It's some kind of a test drive from Microsoft. You could see that you could just try it on your phone. This phone is faster. And if we're talking about ordinary sites like this one, you could see that formatting is not very good. Text is in different way, and this happens for many sites, for many old sites. So I couldn't name AI9 that it's pretty good and accurate. It's not so accurate in comparison with Android browser or iOS browser, but on the other hand, it's really fast, extremely fast, and I like it. I like it on one hand. On the other hand, we have 3 or 4 months before this browser coming out, so I hope that Microsoft change a lot inside of this browser. Our site, it's working, it's downloading, and you could double tap for formatting text. It's pretty good. I think if we change orientation of screen, you couldn't easily read text on display. In real life, of course, on your monitor, on your screen, you could read it, but actually in real life it's not so easy. Status, you could see that address bar below the screen, so you could use it. Oh, oops. It was a problem. It was a problem with my browser. Sometimes it's hanging. So it's refresh, and we could open. Let's open some other sites. It's my podcast in Russian, so in this page we don't have Flash as well. So originally we have Flash here, but it's not supported in this browser. Unfortunately not. Bing search. So we have some kind of layer, like in Android you could put I button, and camera will scan the cover of this book or cover of CD or maybe some movie. After that, I will have results on my screen. I could check reviews about this book. I could check all things connected with book. Even I could buy it from some online shops like eBay maybe later. I like it. I like it because let's check another book, Outliers from Malcolm Gladwell. By the way, not bad. Not bad at all. It's interesting reading. So yeah, we have results again in different languages, so even in Spain. You could check it. I like it. It's nothing new, but on the other hand, it's new for Mango, it's new for Windows Phone 7, 7.1 as it's called. Some features inside Mango are different. It's for battery usage, for pictures and face recognition, so I could show it later in more detailed review. Here in messages we could send messages not only by SMS, but also I could use Facebook. I could switch between these type of messages. So you see your thread in one place. You see how you could put all things in just one thread, in one chat. So I like it. I really like it, and it doesn't matter if you use unlimited data usage on your carrier, your operator, so it's more easy to use it with Facebook chat. Once more again about multitasking. Now you don't hear music, but it's playing, and that's online radio, shortcast radio, and I could switch it between different applications. I don't close radio, but it's not showing here. It's some kind of mistake. But again, it's prototype, and in September 2011 it will be more stable, and maybe you could close different application from menu. I don't know, let's see about that. In any case, Mango update is not bad for Microsoft, it's good move. 1 year ago, after first version, we have another one. With multitasking you could use this one, because before it you couldn't use music player and some other programs in background. Nowadays it's working pretty good, and it's not comparable with Android or iOS, but in any case it's Microsoft moving in the right direction, but not very fast. It's pretty slow in my opinion. Let's see, and later it will be more detailed review about some features, tweaks in Mango update for Microsoft Windows Phone 7.